Good afternoon, Plains Inspector. Can I help you?
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
What?
Hello?
No. Good morning.
Good afternoon, Plains Inspector. Can I help you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Who is your daddy? That's right, I am. Yes.
Good afternoon, Plains Inspector. Can I help you?
Some man just tried to kill me.
Oh, Jesus.
No, I lied. How are you? Hello. Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind. Hello.
Find something else to do and quit calling.
No. I don't play that game.
Get...
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
What? Oh, my
Yeah.
God. Get a life.
No. You. Stop it!
Good afternoon, Plains Inspector. Can I help you?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Oh, Jesus. Find something else to
son
do.
of a
and quit
bitch.
bothering me.
No.
What? Oh, Jesus.
What?
Are you
Who are you?
kidding me? Who are you?
Douglas Quaid. 618.
Find something else to do. Bye-bye.
No.
Yes. Find another life to bug, because I'm done.
I'm not interested in that. No deal.
Oh, my God. Are you...
Stop being such a pussy. Yes.
Yeah.
Take
Quick
out the
on
papers
draw.
and the trash,
Huh?
or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrap that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yakety yak. Don't talk back. Da 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 da.
Have you nothing else better to do for real?
No.
Why?
It doesn't matter.
Don't be ridiculous.
Bye.
Stop shouting! I'm not deaf!
Are you serious?
No.
Okay, if you're not serious, then stop calling.
Yeah. Goodbye.
Yeah. Find something else to do.
No.
Yeah.
I lied. How are you?
Oh, you did. No, I'm not going to be fine if you don't quit begging.
Go and kiss your mother's behind.
Plains Doctor, can I help you?
Make it a 10.
I am a 10, thanks.
Yes.
Yes. Find something else to do.
Hello, cutie pie.
Thank you very much.
You like discipline?
No discipline.
I hear you.
What?
Now listen to me very carefully.
I am Douglas Quaid. 618.
Dennis Quaid, huh?
Yeah. I am Douglas Quaid. 618.
Okay. Wait, wow.
Yeah.
About something else.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Goodbye. Are you kidding me?
So what can I do for you?
Well, what you can do for me is to stop calling the phone. That's what you can do for me.
No.
Why?
I don't know. Trust me.
No, I can't trust you. I don't.
Make it a 10.
No.
I'm just doing my job.
No, why are you doing? And your job is.
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
I don't do that.
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
Do it now.
Guess I
Hey,
don't.
I'm a police officer.
So, find something else to do.
I'm a cop, you idiot!
Oh my God.
You're under arrest.
Oh,
This is
okay.
an
Come
arrest.
arrest me. Woo.
No. I don't play that game.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Make it a 10.
What?
Yeah. Make it a 10.
Make it to 10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do it now. Go on.
Okay.
Yeah. What happens in a few days? 10. Yeah.
Hello.
10.
Bye.
Make it a 10. You want to fuck with me?
Well, obviously you do, or you wouldn't call.
Affirmative, because you told me
Yeah,
to.
I know.
Dickhead.
Huh?
I'm wasting my time.
You're wasting your time.
No!
On what?
So don't give me that crap. There is no bathroom!
You're a freak.
No.
Yes.
You're not the one I want.
Oh, good. Then bye. Afternoon, Plains Doctor. Hold, please.
Howdy, stranger.
Afternoon, Plains Doctor. Can I help you?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, are you kidding me?
No.
What? Who is
Hi.
this? Because you can call from any. You called from a minute ago, and now you're calling from California. What in the hell is your problem?
Yeah. Hi, how are you?
Are you going to help me now or not?
We'll help you with what?
Yes, I would like to have a room, please.
Well, I can't help you there.
Bullshit.
Do it now.
No, you do it now.
No.
Yes.
You.
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 Oh, my God. For real, you have nothing else better to do.
No.
I thought not.
Excuse me, I have a few more questions if you don't mind.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on?
What the hell did you do?
Are you out of your mind?
Tell me what?
I am.
What?
I am
Aliens?
actually.
So what can I do for you?
I'm not really sure.
Why
You
not?
called me. You called me.
Bullshit.
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 Bullshit. Uh-huh. That's it.
Stop it!
No.
Yes!
No.
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 Yes!
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
First, I would like to just get to know you. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Daddy. My daddy.
Yes.
Go on.
Get your mother, please.
My mother?
Let me talk to your mother.
Yes.
My mother's not here.
Why not?
Because I'm at work.
Why not?
Because?
I swear I will not kill anyone.
I would hope not. For real, there has got to be something you could do other than...
Yeah.
Yeah, what is
Take
it?
out the papers and the trash.
Well, get on it then.
No.
Why not?
I don't play that game.
Well, then what are you talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are you talking
Yeah.
about? Yeah.
Tell me what?
I don't know.
What? Aliens?
You're weird. Bye.
No.
You.
Afternoon plant. Oh, my God.
What do we gotta do?
What do you got to do?
Take out the papers and the trash.
First, I would like to just get to know you.
Who are you?
Hello.
Who are you?
Who are you?
Douglas Quaid.
618 p. Yeah, I am.
Douglas Quaid.
618.
Yep.
Yeah,
That's it.
I am.
Douglas Quaid.
Yep.
618.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
So shut up! Stop being such a
No.
pussy.
Fuck you.
Well, fuck you. Bye.
No.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
No.
Fuck you.
You're bugging. Bye.
I don't
You
play
can't.
that game.
This game is old.
Fuck
I
you.
don't either. Fuck you too.
Fucking
Game's
bitch.
old. Huh?
You psychopathic bitch.
Well, I've got news for you. You're mine now. You belong to me.
What?
Yeah.
Come off with that bullshit. That's weird.
No.
Yes. It is.
You. Bullshit.
No, you are. You're full of it.
Wrong.
Yep, that's right.
Wrong.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Yes!
Right.
This is me.
Douglas Quaid.
618.
Oh, this is not Douglas Quaid. Shut up with that shit.
Yeah.
Douglas Quaid.
618.
Yep, that's it.
Yes.
Douglas Quaid.
618.
Yep.
You're really inconsiderate.
You are inconsiderate because you're the
I'm
one
hungry.
that eats. You're hungry? Well, go eat something then.
No.
Well, then shut up.
Bullshit.
Yep, it is.
I'm hungry. Bullshit.
Go eat something. Go eat shit. How about that?
Yes.
You.
Eat shit?
Yes.
Then get a one. Go eat it.
Are you going to help me now or not?
I have nothing to help you with.
Yes.
Bullshit.
Now, how do I help you?
You. Bullshit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Trust me.
Trust me.
No.
You. Trust me.
I can't. I don't know you.
Why not?
I am.
Douglas Quaid.
618.
You.
Catherine Brewster. Yeah.
Let me give you
You.
another phone number to
Catherine
bug.
Brewster.
Let me give you another phone number so you can bug somebody else. How
Yeah.
about that?
Go on.
Go on.
Yeah.
Is that what you want?
Yes.
Hey,
1 second.
call that.
What?
Have fun with that. Why not?
What's the matter?
Call it. Nothing's the matter.
Who is it?
Huh?
Who is it?
Who is it?
Yeah.
Who it is? It's who it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miles Bennett Dyson.
What do you want?
Bullshit.
Huh? You want
Do it
bullshit?
now.
There's a lot of bullshit out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
John Kimball.
Oh, dude, you're cracking me up. Bye.
Goodbye.
Unavailable to take your call right now, but if you leave your name and number, I'll call you back
Bullshit.
as soon as possible.
At the tone, please record your message. When you've finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options. To leave a callback number, press 5.
This is me.
Douglas Quaid.
618.
Fuck you.
Thank you for calling A1 Appliance. This is Tina. How may I help you?
I need your help.
Okay.
Yeah.
But with what?
Yeah.
Do it now.
What do we gotta do?
Thank you for calling A1 Appliance. This is Tina. How can I help you?
Are you going to help me now or not?
Who is this?
Douglas Quaid.
618. Hello.
Hello?
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Who are you?
What?
Hi.
Hi. This is Lisa with A1 Appliance. Can I help you?
872-829. 2003. 866.
Hello. Are you going to help me now or not?
Yeah, I am. What do you need?
872.
Hello?
Hi.
Thank you for calling A1.
Take out the papers and the trash. Or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrap that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yakety yak. Don't talk back. Da 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 da. Hello.
Good afternoon, Plains Doctor. Can I help you?
Could I speak to the drug dealer of the house, please?
The what?
You give me the names of your drug suppliers and distributors, and I'll tell the judge what a nice cooperative killer you are.
Oh, my God, you're cracking me up.
Could I speak to the drug dealer of the house, please?
Where is she?
Bye.
I'll be back.